Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia from incomingsuccess.com. Today's video is going to be all about how to create and send out a freebie with MailerLite in order to grow your email list. In case you're not familiar with email marketing, it is a strategy proven to help lots of businesses gain more clients and make more income. How do you do that? Well, you have direct access to your audience's emails, and that way you can market to them one by one through email lists. They can get to know you a lot better, get free tips from you every single week, so that means more freebies. And besides that, you will have access to promote to them any new product you're selling, any new online course you're having, which will help increase your sales a lot too. Now let's begin with some common questions you might have, and I will answer them right now. What is a freebie? A freebie is described as any piece of information or any piece of digital content that you can offer for free to your audience in order for them to subscribe to your email list. I believe email marketing is a business strategy everyone should use no matter what type of business they have. So a freebie is basically any piece of content you want to offer your audience that is valuable to them and that will help them out. So it can be a PDF of your ebook, it can be something you designed, it can be a checklist, anything and everything that has to do with your content that you think will help them out and convince them to subscribe to your email list to receive more such content from you every single week. Why is it important to have an email list? It's really important to do this because by having access to your audience's emails gives you a direct way to contact them and to market to them anything at any time through direct emails that they will get right in their inboxes. Why did you choose MailerLite? I chose MailerLite because I have tried another email marketing platform before and I did not get along with it at all. And when I chose this one and I decided to try it, it was really easy to use for me and I have figured everything out myself. Also, it is completely free until you reach 1,000 subscribers, which I believe is enough to start and get going your email list. If you want to try it for free, you can do so by checking the link in the description. How do I create the freebie? What format should it be in? I create my freebies in Canva, and so can you, but you can also choose Photoshop. I'm going to show you a way you can give out PDFs as freebies with MailerLite. Depending on the type of business you have, make sure to choose the freebie you are sure your audience would be interested in and would be happy to receive from you. If you're a photographer, you can give out some of your photos for your audience to print out and put in their home or something like that, or presets as I've said before. If you're an artist as well, you can give out some of your artwork for free to your audience. Or if you're a business strategist or entrepreneur, you can give out a PDF of your ebook that you wrote or a short written book, a few pages of your most valuable information. The freebie is created. How do I send it to people once they subscribe to my email list? How does that even work? So it might seem complicated at first. It did seem so complicated to me as well, but I got it done, so I'm sure you can too by following what I'm going to show you step by step. People will be able to receive your freebie if they subscribe to your email list specifically for that freebie. So I'm going to show you in MailerLite how do I do this. So let me show you what I mean by hopping on into my computer. Step number 1, creating the freebie. First off, to be able to give out a freebie, you must first have one. So let me show you how you can create one in Canva. Depending on what you want to give away, start designing your freebie in Canva. I chose to create one small guide for Instagram and a Pinterest 30 days checklist. Once you are done designing and reviewing your freebie, go save it into your computer as a PDF. What you need to do next is upload the freebie PDF into your WordPress gallery. This must be done in order to drive people to see it on the internet. So go to your website, Pages, Add New, click to add new media file. Go to Media Gallery, Upload Files, and then upload your PDF. Wait until it is uploaded and then go to Copy Link and keep that link copied or opened for a bit later. If you paste that into a new tab, you can see that it now opens your exact PDF, but in a direct internet browser. Creating a landing page in MailerLite. Now it's time to open MailerLite. Go to Sites, create landing page, name that landing page however is suited for your freebie. Then you will need to select to which subscriber group the people that will get your freebie will be added. To To make sure that you can market to them right in the future, you can keep them separated, but also have a subscribers group for all of your subscribers. I do this, so I select Incoming Success as my all subscribers group, and then also create a new one, especially for the people that are subscribing because of my Pinterest checklist. Next, select the landing page template that you can later edit. Edit the landing page to fit your branding, and do not forget to better describe the checklist and what else they can benefit from by subscribing to your email list. Take your time with this, and do not forget to also design the success page. Once you're done, you can click Save and Publish. Now you need to update the link of your landing page, so just add a name there. Then you can go on and add a title and keywords. After you're done, click Save and Continue. What you need to do now is click on to the double opt-in option. Then go to double opt-in and edit. Please confirm your subscription page to fit your branding as well. After you've done that, you need to go back there and you need to edit the confirmation thank you page. And this is where you will add the link to your freebie. Design it as such and add a button for it. On that button, you need to add the link to your PDF that we have added on the internet earlier. The next and final step is to test it out. Once everything is set up, go to Sites, click on the one you just created, copy the URL for the landing page, and go to your website to add it where you need it to. Meaning that when people will click on that, they will go directly to this landing page. So you can add it to your homepage or wherever you have set it up to, so people can see your checklist and get it from there. Also, test it out to find out if you have done everything right. As I am showing you here, I am going and choosing one of my emails to subscribe to this email list. Then I go to my email to see what email I have received and confirm my subscription. And then I see that I have received the confirmation thank you page that leads me to my checklist, so I know that everything is set up right. You can always go back and edit something if you are not content with it, but this is all the process you need to do in order to create a freebie and send it out to your email list. So this is it, everyone. This is how you create and send out a freebie with MailerLite. My question for you today is, have you ever created a freebie? If yes, what was it and how did it go? And also, if you're planning to create a freebie, what freebie do you want to create for your audience and what type of audience do you have? Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and turn on the notifications bell to be notified whenever I post a new video on how to grow your online business and social media accounts. If you have any video ideas that you want to see from me, make sure to leave them down below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.